It took 10 to 20 years for a teacher to progress from teacher 1 to teacher 3.
Sa akin at sa dapat gampanan.
Yung nakasama po natin 30 taon nag-antay. Ang iba, decades, 3 decades. And another equally lengthy period to move from teacher 3 to master teacher 1. We have successfully promoted nearly 19,500 teachers and school heads all over the country.
Among mahal na Pangulo, maraming salamat sa programa na ginagawa mo.
I am very happy that I am promoted from Master Teacher 2 to Principal 1.
Mahal na Pangulo Bongbong Marcos, sa ibinigay na opportunity na kami ay makapag-retire ng hindi lang sa Teacher 1, kundi bilang Teacher 3. Malaking tulong po ito.
Busa, wala na teacher na mag-retire ng teacher 1.